it's so sad that sometimes you place a trade and you see the price get to that exact point where your take profit is, and yet the take profit will not be triggered, and before you know it, the price will turn again and start moving the other way around. So let's say you're in a sell position, you're selling from this point and your take profit is right at this point, so you're targeting to take your profit right here, and now the price is almost getting to that point, which is this big price is almost getting to that level. However, when the price gets to that point, it will not trigger your take profit until the ask price gets to that point. So when you are selling, your take profit is triggered only when this red line, which is the ask price, gets to that level, not this green one. Now the green one is your bid price, and that is the price you're always considering, and you forget the ask price, and the difference between the two is what we call the spread. So when you're putting your take profit, always consider your spread and put your take profit some pips, just an equivalent of your spread above the normal point you want to place take profit. So if your spread is say 2 pips, so when you want to put your take profit, instead of placing your take profit right at this bottom here, for instance, you will just put it 2 pips above that level, so that as price had gotten to this level, that take profit would have been triggered. Always put your spread into consideration. That is exactly how you avoid that problem of setting your take profit, seeing price get to that point, and yet the take profit was not triggered, and price now reverses and goes against you. Now, if that has happened to you, go to the comment section and share your experience with us. Thank you for watching, and sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out when I release my next videos.